Welcome back to this video. In this video, I will show you on how to stop Google Photo from tracking your photo location. So let's get started. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are already new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. The very first thing we want to do is head over to our Chrome browser. So I'm going to simply click on here to open my Chrome browser. Then having opened up your Chrome browser, click on this plus sign to create a new tab. The next thing you need to do is to click on search right here and type in Google Photo. Click on search. The next thing you need to do is to click on sign in right here. Sign in to photo.google.com. That is the official URL. So you will just need to log in with the Google account username and password, and it's going to take you to your Google Photo cloud storage right here. Now, for you to stop Google from tracking your location photo in your Google Photo, what you need to do is to click on this three slider from the top corner right here. So click on that. The next thing you need to do is to simply scroll down right here and make sure you go to settings. That's going to take you right here. The next thing you need to do is to simply scroll down right here. Continue to scroll down until you get to manage your location data right here. So click on that and this is going to pump up. Estimate missing location. Use landmark and other sources to estimate where your photo were taken. Turn off this. Settings save. Once you turn off this, nobody will be able to track you with your photo. Even Google cannot know your photo, cannot track you by photo. It's that simple. For more tutorial about privacy settings like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.